Hi guys, welcome back with the second Sudoku in this additional, not of today's newspaper on Monday, October the 25th, because we have in today's newspaper only one regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku. No, it's the additional of last week, Monday, October the 18th, 2021. And I've already solved one Sudoku. The letter Sudoku I've already solved. So now we have two Sudokus or two puzzles left. The Sudoku with 2 stars and a tectonic with 1 star. But first we will solve this 2 stars Sudoku. And for 2 stars Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes. That's my time limit. And this Sudoku will be number 3586. Okay. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. All right. So let's get started. 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these two boxes. So the 4 could be here or could be there. Well, we have another 4 there, so no 4 here. 4 should be there. Alright. 3 missing numbers now in this column. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here there 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be here. Then. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Then. Let me see. How about these 5 missing numbers in this big square? 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and a 9. We have a 5 and a 9 in this column, so no 5 and a 9 in these 3 boxes. The 5 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 9 and a 5, 9 and a 5. So what are the other 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, 2, the 3 is missing, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So 1, 3, 8. 1, 3, 8, 1, 3, 8. And look, we have a 3 and 8 in the last row. So no 3 and 8 in this box. The 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. 1 in the last row. 1 in the row above. So that row. The only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. Alright. Okay. 5. Then 6. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. We have another 6 there, so no 6 here. Only place for the 6 should be there. Alright. Okay. 3 missing numbers now in this column. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. Then. How about the 2 in this column? The 2 in the column next, on the last column. The only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. Okay. All right, we have a pair. 2 and a 4 in this column. 2 and a 4 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 3 places for the 2 and a 4 should be in these 3 boxes. 2 and a 4, but we see here 2 and a 4 in this row. So no 2 and a 4 in this box. The 2 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4. All right. Okay. Yeah. 9 and a 7. Alright. I'm thinking. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait. 5 in this row. 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So no 5 in that box. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 5 in the row below. So the last row, the only place for the 5 should be there. Alright. Then. How about? Okay. We have a pair again. 8 and a 6 in this column. 8 and a 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 3 places for the 8 and 6 should be in those 3 boxes. But we see here an 8 and a 6 in the second row, so no 8 and a 6 in this box. The 8 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and a 6, 8 and a 6. All right. 7 and 9, okay. Then. 1, 2, 4. I'm thinking. 5. Alright. 9. 9. We need a 9 here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and 8 in this big square. We have a 4 and 8 in this row, so no 4 and 8 in these 3 boxes. The 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 8. Wow, what a lot of pairs here in this puzzle. I don't think this is a 2 stars. Alright, so we have a 4 in this column, 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So the third column, the only place for the 4 should be there. Now we have a 4 there. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 2. Alright. Okay. 8, okay. 7 and a 9. 7, 9 and a 3. I'm thinking. 2. Yeah. Ay. Do we have all the 4s? No. No. Interesting. Let me think. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6 in the second row, so no 6 in these two boxes. Here 6 in the third column, so no 6 in that box. So one box left for the 6 should be there. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 in the board. That box should be a 6, and this box should be an 8. Alright. 2, 2, 7. 2 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 8 and a 9 is missing. 7 and a 9. Look, we have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in this box. The only place for the 9 in the third column should be there. One box left in the third column for the number 7. 2 boxes left in this big square for the number 1. The 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. 2 and a 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 and a 3. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7 again. Not again. We have 2 and a 3, 3 and a 7. So one box left in this row for the number 1. Alright. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1. Should be there. 1 in this first row, 1 in the third row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 1. Okay. Choo-choo. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this column. Again, the 9 and the 7, I think. Yes, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and the 9, we see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright. So, 7, 7. Interesting. 3 and 2 numbers left in the first row. Those numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8, and look, we have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. So 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, 6, and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 7 and a 5, that means 1 box left in this column for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. Okay. 1 box left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, the 9. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here, 4 and the 8 in this row. 4 and the 8. Look, now we have an 8 there, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 in the last column. 4 in the column next. So that column, the only place for the 4 should be there. 1 box left in this big square. I've eliminated the 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 4. Okay. Then 3 in this row. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Yeah. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 6 and a 7 is missing. 5 and a 7. Again, we have a 7 there. No 7 there. 7 should be here and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 there, so this box is going to be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 9. Now we have a 5 there, so this box is going to be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 7. 1 box left in this column. Here we have a pair 3 and an 8. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 numbers left in the last row. The 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9. 2 and the 9. Yeah, we have a 9 there. No 9 there. 9 should be here and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box is going to be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box is going to be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 7. 7 in this column, 7 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place for the 7 should be there. Now we have a 7 there, so this box is going to be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. And this box should be a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box is going to be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be an 8. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. 7 and the 8 is missing. 6 and the 8. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and 8 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 and the 9. 8 and the 9. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 9 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Again, 60 minutes. And I like this one, yes. And it's definitely a 2 stars. Because for 2 stars, I need 15 to 20 minutes. If you enjoyed this puzzle, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Just go below in the comments, I believe. No, not in the comments. Just go below and you will find the link. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a few seconds with the last puzzle. Tectonic with 1 star. See you then. Bye-bye for now.